Hey guys, it's AJ Fangirl36 here, and today I'm going to be showing you Blaire's little animals. So let's get started. So I'm going to be starting off with Blaire's piglet. Here it is in the box. On the box it looks like it's black and white. They're actually pink and white. Here he is. He is so cute. And like I said, he is very light pink color. He's very soft. He has embroidered eyes. And his snout is really cute. You can see there are two little indentions in his snout to make him look a little bit more accurate, which I think is really cute. He has the cutest little face, and the variations on the spots will vary. So this is what mine looks like. He has a lot of spots on this side, and then his little tail is really cute. It's this little curled up tail. And then he does stand on his own, which is really nice. And then next is Blaire's lamb. Here it is in the box. And her lamb is also really adorable and super soft. Like really soft. Here is the face. Again, it is embroidered. The eyes and the little mouth and nose. This lamb is so soft, and the little face is really soft too. Two little ears that stick out a little bit. And then it has this tealy color ribbon collar around its neck with these two flowers. One is like a peachy color, and the other one is a light pink color. And then it has little hooves. And a little tail. And the lamb also stands on its own, which is really nice. And those are her two separate animals. She also has a chicken that comes with her gardening set, but I showed that in her gardening video. And he's a little plushie as well. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.